16 to 17 years old novice kata female winners, we have bronze, Santos Alexa Audrey from Shishi Dojo, Marikina. Silver, Evangelista Hannah Emily May from Team KSDA ISAF, and we have gold, Terrado Alteria from EGA.
Kay Ma'am Sherry, lapit ka. Ayun o, yung nakatapos na.
Siya rin